In this video, I'll show you exactly how I use ChatGPT to perfectly tailor my resume for a specific job application, ensuring it passes through modern applicant tracking systems. I'm starting right here on the home page, and to begin, I'll head to the chat bar and paste a prompt asking the AI to act as a professional resume writer and career coach. I'm instructing it to use exact keywords from a job description while focusing on results-based achievements, without adding any skills I don't actually have. ChatGPT confirms it understands the rules and outlines exactly how it will approach the task. Now, I'll switch over to my notes and copy a specific job description for a digital marketing specialist role at Shopee. I'll paste that description into the chat so the AI knows exactly what the employer is looking for. ChatGPT acknowledges the job requirements and asks me to provide my current resume details, including my work history and education. I'll go back to my document, copy my existing experience as a marketing manager, and include a request to rewrite my resume summary and experience sections. Once I paste this in, ChatGPT generates a tailored professional summary and a refined experience section specifically for the Shopee role. The AI highlights relevant skills like meta ads and Google Analytics while using the specific keywords from the post. To make sure I haven't missed anything, I'll copy a new prompt asking ChatGPT to compare this tailored version back to the job description to identify any missing keywords or signals. After I paste the request, the AI identifies that Google Ads is a missing skill and suggests how I can honestly address that gap or highlight related experience. It also points out where my e-commerce and content strategy mentions could be strengthened to better align with Shopee's brand. Finally, I'll ask it to write a concise, 3-sentence resume summary that is confident and specific. It produces a polished summary that highlights my experience and key wins, perfectly ready for my application. This method ensures my resume isn't just a list of duties, but a targeted marketing tool for my career. If you found this walkthrough helpful for your own job hunt, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.